Neha, and for today's video we're going to be doing something different. So for today's video I'm going to be doing makeup look recreation of Kanika Kapoor. So if you don't know who she is already, she has won a lot of beauty pageants and she is one of my favorites. She has done a lot of TV shows and movies, so don't forget to check her work out. She has also done recently a web series with the name Safar. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Talking about the look for today, so it is a very basic and minimal look. What I love about her is that she does all her looks with such a minimal style that recreates it to me. But you must have identified कि आज मैंने काजल लगाया है, and this is I guess for the second time in my life. I don't like it, but still I've done this for the video. So you guys see the recreation and let me know how you like it. Okay you guys, so let's begin. So we're going to be starting by toning our skin. Now I've been using this Gulab gel from the longest time now. I've already cleansed my face with a face wash and I'm using a toner. Now this is the best toner, and if you're a teenager, if you're a beginner at skincare, then I would definitely suggest you to give it a try. It's so good and it's so pure, so it would not harm your skin in any way. Even for sensitive skin I would recommend this. Now after I'm done with toning, I use moisturizer. Now this is my current favorite. This is Lakme's Peach Milk Moisturizer and I am in love with it, you guys. This is such a lightweight moisturizer. You won't feel like something is there on your skin. This just adds a layer, and you should always apply a moisturizer before doing anything, or even in day-to-day basis. CTM routine is very important. Comment down below if you guys are following your CTM routine. I have recently started knowing the value of it and I think you should definitely take care of your skin. और ये 3 steps करना ज़्यादा I guess complex काम नहीं है, so you should definitely do it. After this I'm going to be starting with the makeup. So for this I'm going to be using Maybelline Superstay foundation. Now if you know about it, this is very cakey foundation. It turns to be cakey, so I am mixing this up with my moisturizer. Now why I'm not using facial oil is because I think it affects my skin. मेरे को acne हो रहे हैं उससे, so I'm not using that. So I'm just putting it up on my face evenly. You can use your hands, it's such a good aid, and afterwards just use a brush and blend it, and yeah, we are done. Comment down if you like these kind of transitions. I love making them. Talking about the next step, I'm going to be using concealer. It's very important to conceal wherever you feel like you have any dark circles or anything of those kinds, acne. You should definitely conceal around your inner corners of your eye, your nose, your chin. Everything needs to be concealed, under eyes especially. So do all the required steps, and after which it's time to use loose powder. Now for loose powder I'm going to be using this Fit Me. Now I would suggest you to go for this if you are a beginner. This would definitely help you, and just it's for baking your under eyes and everything, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm baking them. It's very important to do it, and I've already applied the concealer on my under eyes, so after which you need to do this step. And now is my favorite part, that is the eyes, and for this I'm going to be using this beautiful palette, and I'm taking this brown shade, because if you see the picture carefully, then you would see a very brown undertone. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm using that and I'm putting it up on my both eyes. Blending is the key, you guys. Definitely do that. Now once you're done with the entire blending process, this is what my final eye look looks like. And after I'm done with this, here is the most strugglesome part, which is eyeliner and kajal. Now why I'm saying this is because if you have listen to the intro, I have not put kajal and it really waters my eyes, so you can see the struggle. Now after I'm done with that, now it's time for the next step, that is the spoolie. So what the spoolie does is it basically brushes your eyebrows and all the hair of your eyebrows spread evenly. It gives an even look to your brows. So if you don't want to do your brows, you can definitely do this step, and after which I am just removing the baking because I think it's done now. Now after you're done with everything, it's time to apply the same brown shade on my underline or the waterline, whatever you call it. After you're done with this, I'm going to be using this mascara. Now it's your choice. I'm using this waterproof mascara. I'm going to be applying this. This is one of the most scariest part. After which I'm going to be using highlighter and blush. Now this is my favorite blush palette. if you've seen my April favorites video, which was probably the one before this, I have talked about this palette and this palette as well, which is the highlighter palette. Both of these palettes are so affordable and so nice. I would definitely suggest you to just click on the link and just shop for them once everything ends. Now this is what I'm going to be applying, and after which it's time for lipstick, which will add a pop of color to the entire look. So for lipstick, I'm going to be mixing 2 shades because I want it to be exact same as in the picture. So I'm using these 2 lip colors. Now once I am using this brown lip shade, which is one of my favorites, and after which I am adding this lip gloss, which is Plump and Shine. And you guys, this is such a nice lip gloss. So you guys, that's it for the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section below. Also like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Take care of yourself, sanitize your hands properly, and goodbye.